Hello guys, in this very special video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the McAfee antivirus program. Now trust me, McAfee antivirus program is a very rigid program. You might not be able to uninstall it in a normal way. So I'll tell you the step by step how you can uninstall it. So make sure you watch the whole video. So firstly, you need to open the Google Chrome or any of the browser which you have. And here you just have to type mcpr space tool. The moment you type mcpr tool, hit enter and you will get the very first result service.mcafee.com. Make sure you click on this service.mcafee.com. Once the website is opened, I'll tell you the next step. So the site is a little slow, which is weird. So it's opening. So once the website is opened, you need to scroll it down. And here you will find an option, method 1 and method 2. So it's right here. If you scroll it down like this, you will find method 1 and method 2. So we will click on method 2 and then download the MCPR tool. Now the moment I click on MCPR tool, the file will be downloaded and we just have to run this file. And it will ask you to say yes. So the moment you will say yes, it will start extracting the file, and a file will open like this. You just need to click on next, the McAfee software removal, and you need to click on agree and then click on next. Enter the security validation code and click on next, and the McAfee will be uninstalled. Once it is uninstalled, it will ask you to restart the computer. So make sure you restart the computer, and yes, you are now got rid of the McAfee. So congratulations. If this has worked for you, please hit the like button and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.